Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your ID photo and opening the Groww app. Make sure the image is clear and matches your document. Once the app is updated, log in using your usual credentials and tap Profile, then KYC. You do this first because Groww validates file type and resolution up front. That avoids later rejections. If prompted, allow camera and storage permissions so you can upload immediately. Now proceed to the Edit KYC or Update Photo option displayed in the KYC. Once you're in the KYC edit screen, choose whether to take a new photo or upload one. I recommend camera for immediate control. Position your face and document in a 3:4 portrait frame, then crop to include all edges. Make sure no filters or heavy compression are applied because Groww checks image clarity and metadata. After selecting the file, confirm the upload and wait for the on-screen progress. If successful, you'll see a confirmation before moving to verification steps. Finally, confirm the upload and watch the KYC status, pending, under review, or approved. Once done, note any rejection reason carefully and re-upload with corrections, because common problems are glare, cropped edges, or mismatched names. If status stalls or you get repeated rejections, make sure your app is updated and retry. Then contact Groww support with a screenshot and reference ID. This helps them verify faster and prevents delays. Addressing the exact reason is the quickest path to approval.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.